Loving life outside. Okay, which one is that over there?
That one?
Yep.
That one's Captain.
Captain. There he is.
Lily's name is
Lacey.
Lacey.
Yep, there's Lacey.
Maverick.
There's Maverick.
And then
Venturing.
Mochi.
And
Wait, who's that one? That one's not Lily.
oops, that's not Lily. That one's
Coda.
Coda.
And then that one's Lacey.
Yeah, that's Coda. He has brown feet.
Yeah, that one's
There's Lacey. Lacey and Mochi are playing.
And then Molly.
There's Molly.
And Bear.
And where's Bear?
On the other side of that.
Oh, there he is on the other side of Dad. There's Bear.
Hi.
Oscar, are they playing with you?
Mochi.
Good job.
Mochi. No, Mochi.
Get. Yeah, Junior can get if he is.
Nothing on sale that I need.
What is she like?
That's
What is
Lacey and
Bailey, where
Coda.
are you going?
Coda.
Here's Bear.
There's Bear. There's Molly. Molly's right here.
Sophie's playing with
There's Maverick right here. Sophie's playing with
Mochi.
Mochi.
Did you
And
see
who else?
Captain?
Captain.
Oh, Captain.
Captain, he was sitting there and he
Always
just went.
flops over. As soon as she
Captain's
crawls.
just laying there.
He just
He's
flopped
like, I
over.
thought you were gonna play with me.
Captain, let's not go by her.
Not Cece. Cece's like, I'm gonna pounce. Hey, you two, you brothers.
Get him.
Hey, who's way over there?
She's looking at her
That's
butt.
too white. That must be Lily. Here she comes. Oh, Lacey, I mean.
Oh, look at
There's
her.
Lacey.
She was in her room.
No.
Seen in her mirror with her swimsuit on.
There's Mochi.
Mochi. Come on. Oh, you're gonna get it,
Cece.
Mochi.
Cece. Good girl.
Hey, you two.
I hear some. Who's here?
What?
What?
Lacey is sticking her butt in his face.
That's what Sophie always did. Oh, they're loving outside. I think one's going to go potty. There's Bear.
I know.
Hey, you two.
Oh, really?
Jeez, huh? Maverick, are you saying, stop, I don't like that, huh?
Really?
Yep. And that was with Captain. Nope, that was with Eddie. Eddie, which one's? Captain's Eddie, right? Yeah, so that was Captain.
And no Coda.
There he is.
Oscar, bring it here. Oscar, bring me your ball.
Oh, and looks, guess who's going under the blankie? Bear is.
Maverick.
Kirby is Bear.
CC again.
Look at
Bring it
those
here.
two.
Oscar, here. Bring it here. Bring me your ball.
Oh my gosh.
They're loving life.
Bring it here, Oscar.
Oh, there goes
Even throws it up.
Mochi.
Mochi likes Cece, huh?
Yeah.
Did you find some water, Zoe?
Yeah.
Huh? Stealing the puppy's
So is
water?
She's like, what are you doing?
Do we still have them all? Oh, there goes two escapees. Over there.
Not the ears, thank you.
Come on, guys. Get over here. Oh, are you getting hot, Bear? You had to find some shade? Huh?
Trista, go get those escapees.
She might be, where's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's just Maverick.
I think Bear's
Oh.
getting hot. Uh-oh.
Brooke, hello.
Hey, Junior. Hey, bud. Hey. Come here.
There's Molly.
Bear says I need shade.
Oh yeah,
Junior's
Lily
not
says I'm
friendly.
thirsty.
I need shade.
Good girl.
Junior is beyond one of the friendliest.
Sophie.
No,
I got
Maverick!
him.
Maverick! I'm not Maverick. Go cheat.
Well, maybe the cat should just go away.
They're fine.